Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. You do not need to book yourself a luxury hotel in order to sleep on luxury sheets. Let me show you this amazing set of sheets that I have here from Comfortica Classics. These sheets feel incredible. So these are 1,000 thread count Egyptian cotton sheets, and these are top quality. I love these because they have a sateen finish, so they feel silky and they feel smooth, but they have that natural breathability of cotton. I love cotton sheets because I do tend to get hot at night, and these keep me nice and cool. They're really cool to the touch, and they're so soft. These sheets wash and dry super easily, and they come out feeling good as new. These hypoallergenic sheets are free from harsh chemicals, and they're gorgeous to look at. I got them in the silver color, which is this really beautiful light gray. I absolutely love it, and they come in a ton of other colors as well and different size options. This is the king size with 2 pillowcases, so it's a 4-piece set. And something else that I really love about these sheets is there is a little tag on the fitted sheet to tell you which side to put it on. So you know how hard it is to put those fitted sheets on the right way the first time. Totally eliminates that problem. So that's a great touch. These pillowcases are generously sized for a variety of different pillow sizes. As you can see, my husband's is a lot flatter than mine, and it works for both sizes. So I have to say we've been really happy with these sheets. They are incredibly comfortable. They are so soft. They're so breathable. I really feel like the stitching and the detail is there. They're definitely made with care, and we have enjoyed an amazing night's sleep on these sheets. So if you want to get that luxurious 5-star hotel feel at home, I would definitely check out these really high quality sheets from Comfortica Classics. They are definitely a great find, super happy with them, and that is my point of view.